Hello everybody, it's Kyra from BodyCandy. Hope everyone had a lovely Christmas. Today's episode of the tea is how do I clean my healing piercing. So it's very important obviously to keep your healing piercings incredibly clean. You do not want to risk infection and potentially losing your piercing. So why should you clean it? As it heals, your body will make it kind of crusty around the outsides. Completely normal. But these little rough bits of scabbing can cause quite a lot of irritation if it gets inside your actual piercing itself. So these do need to be washed away very delicately and very regularly. Best thing to be washing your piercings with is a wound wash, which is normally like a saline solution. Talked about those quite a lot on these videos, but it's of paramount importance that you know what this is. Saline solution is just perfect because it is completely compatible with your body chemistry. It's an incredibly gentle substance, normally given to you by piercers after your piercing. If not, it's very easily available and you can also make it. So to use a wound wash, it's normally by spraying it directly onto the piercing. Let it soak for a while and get them nice and moist. This will loosen up any scabbing. Trying to wash these scabs off prematurely can lead to scarring. You know what happens when you pick a scab, and it's the last thing you want on your lovely piercings. So after a few minutes you can use a little cotton swab or a Q-tip and really carefully wipe away the debris. Depending on the piercing, you should be washing it once or twice a day. Also massively dependent on the environment you surround yourself in. A lot of different factors like hair, spray, makeup can all come into play as well. Use 1 to 2 times a day as a baseline, and like I say, depending on your environment, take that how you will and keep it clean no matter what you're up to. For example, if you're working in more of a dusty environment, try and keep it covered or clean it a little bit more regularly too. There's also a little demo on how to make your own saline solution. So I hope that helped, and I will speak to you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.